still again curious and furious about how to learn English? Or you have learned English but still thinking about fluency? Man, I know many structures. I can talk English, but just because of my fluency and my pronunciation and my speed of talking, I am not at all satisfied with my language. Is that what you question? Then let me tell you the secret and the truth about myths about fluency. Even if you think that whatever the concept you have created around you in your head about fluency, that is not what it is, guys. Fluency is not all about talking, how much fast you can. It's not about speed. It's not about your rapid, constant throwing words after words. That see how fast I can throw the words, see how fast he is throwing the words, see how fast he is thinking about the words. No, stop that. Why I'm talking and stretching the point of speed in fluency? What matter is how you throw the words doesn't matter. Where you take the pause. Fluency comes when your pause starts speaking. Fluency comes when your silence between 2 to 3 sentences comes and has some meaning. That time your fluency has meaning. Otherwise, randomly, let's say I am asking you to tell about me your daily routine. They are like this. Every day I wake up early in the morning. After that I go to bathroom. After that I wash my face. I take a bath, and after that I do breakfast. After doing breakfast I go to my I pack my bag, and after that I go to class. After going to class I attend the class. I learn from Vikram sir, and after learning from him I go to home. After going home I get call from my friend, and after getting call from my friend I do study with him, and after that I go in the park with him to wander outside, and in the market I go and buy some vegetables and come back to the home. Now just tell me, I had speed, but that speed had no sense of talking. Is that fluency? Would you call this fluency? No, man. Fluency is not all about throwing the words rapidly. It's not about that. It's all about how you feel that statement with the proper pause. When you take the pause is the message for the listener. Now let's tell me one point, that why are you talking? Why do you want to talk? Are you sitting alone? Do you talk with yourself? You are learning to talk, then do you talk with yourself in the mirror? You never talk with yourself. If you want to talk, if you want to communicate with yourself, you communicate that within your mind. You don't get everything on your lips. Understanding? Why do you talk? Ask yourself. You are talking for the listeners, guys. If you don't have listeners, you're not going to speak. I have listeners, that's why within the room I'm talking in front of camera. Considering you are listening, though 5 to 10 people are listening this video, but still I'm talking for you. That's why I'm talking, and my purpose of talking is to make you understand what I have. And why do you want to talk? Ask yourself. Language is not only throwing word. Language is all about expressing what you have inside you. Now just tell me one thing. I am also talking, but my pauses, stops, commas have sense. That's why I'm able to talk. Understand that the science of projection, these things come under fluency. Voice modulation comes, clarity of your voice comes, clarity of the words, sentence construction comes afterwards. That is the very basic and fundamental part where you learn from the grammar. And though the grammar is not going to give you that fluency, fluency is entirely, solely, wholly that what you are absorbing. What are you absorbing around you and the name of English language? Are you around the people who doesn't have fluency and you are listening to them? Then congratulations, you will have the same fluency like them. And if you hate them, and if you have always named their fluency, then congratulations, you will have great pronunciation because you have sense of understanding. And if you have habit of listening yourself that how you are talking, then again congratulations that you will have a great fluency. What is the main function in fluency? Instead of thinking how fast words you can throw, think about how you can take pauses sensefully, meaningfully, emotionally, maintaining the meaning of that particular sentence. That's what comes under fluency. Fluency is all about pauses, breaks, silence. When your silence starts talking, congratulations, you become fluent. Try to speak each and every statement in different emotions. Always give pauses, proper statements, proper breaks between your 2 to 3 sentences. Always remember, it's all about how you feel the language. It's all about what you want to express in front of people. If you can't express, you cannot learn language. Why are you learning? You are learning to express, not just to talk. So think about expressing, don't think about talking. Understanding what I'm saying? In this video, I have explained about fluency in short. Most of the people in the classroom, I ask them to do this particular activity and they do just because I am telling them. And I don't want that them to do the activity because I am telling them. I want them to do from their inside. Yes, he has to learn. He wants to speak. That's why he is doing the activity. He says that, sir, you said to do that. That's why I am doing it. And I want to say that, bro, do it for yourself. You want to learn language, right? Don't cheat yourself just by telling that, yes, sir told me to do and I am doing it. But their answer is, no, sir, after going to home, I will do this. I said, guys, this is not a classroom. This is practice room, man. Do you go to dance class and do you say that, no, sir, after going home, I will do more practice or I will do it at a home. Just show me that what to do. Is that what you say in the dance class? Is that what you say in the singing class? Is that what you say in the swimming class? No, man, just like that, language is. Understand? Language is for practice. If you have human, you have human. If you have no partner, you have camera. Understand? Don't stop yourself. If you want to learn, start speaking now. Now means now. Now. Use shading technique, man. There are multiple techniques, but shading technique is much more effective. Second one is mirror technique. Now I would say camera and listening technique that I have explained in this video. Go and watch that. Best method of practicing English language in this video. Bye everyone. This is RJ Vikram.